All right, so we start off today's video with this fluted table design. So this is a very popular TikTok trend, as you guys know if you already follow this channel. All right, so they're using a tube here. You could also use a cutting board as a piece of wood for the top if you wanted to as well. Oh, they're doing a marble design here. Very nice. That came out absolutely amazing. I really like the marble next to the wood. I think that's pretty cool. Definitely something different. Hello everyone. Welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle. And on this channel, we like to take a look at trending DIY project ideas and react to them. So here we have someone Taylor Swifting their bedroom. So it looks like they're putting up a bunch of Taylor Swift albums here and doing like a little wall. That's a cute idea. Nice little simple project, nothing complicated. You just gotta have a nice printer to do the printouts. Next up, we have another table DIY. Now, if I did not have a 2-year-old toddler, I would probably try to actually replicate this particular project myself. Seems very easy to do, to replicate. So that's how the tables turned out. And these make for like great side tables. I've also seen it done in like a coffee table before. That was really cool. You can do like bedside tables or just like side tables for your living room. Oh, they did a coffee table too. So they made side tables and a coffee table. Wow, I love the way that the coffee table looks. And there are the side tables there in the back. All right, so next up, it looks like we have some peel and stick flooring. I've personally done this particular project myself. I didn't do the bathroom. I did end up doing the laundry room, and it's been about 3 or 4 years since I did ours, and it's still holding up. It's a great way to change out the tile if you don't like what's on there. You can buy these tile pieces from Walmart. I think I got ours from Amazon. Walmart, Home Depot, Dollar Store might even have some. I know they have some kitchen tiles. I like this black and white floral scheme though that she chose. I think this is cute. Nice, easy, and simple upgrade. All right, next up we have a Dollar Tree DIY. Looks like they're making candle holders. This is one of those items though, it can be repurposed for many different uses and ways. Okay, so she did use these as a candle holders. Which ones do you guys like better? The ones with the stone or the black and gold? Now you guys already know which one I like more, the black and gold. They're both pretty though. All right, so moving on to the next DIY. Looks like they're also doing the table. So of course she was inspired by TikTok for this trend. Oh wow, look at that brown one. That is really pretty, very unique. She's using Gorilla Glue for the adhesive. Okay, so it looks like she let the base dry first before adding the top. That's very smart. Oh, that came out amazing. Seems like such an easy project to do. And they look so fancy, like you spent a lot of money on them. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out all these DIY project ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give today's video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.